All right, we're going to start off by first explaining what VSCode is. Now, VSCode is an integrated development environment, or IDE for short. Microsoft created VSCode so we can have a fast code editor with powerful developer tooling, allowing for a frictionless edit, build, debug cycle. With that said, we'll start by heading over to the VSCode download page, link in the description down below, and we're going to click Windows. Once it finishes downloading, open the executable and agree to the license agreement and click Next. We will then click the Create a Desktop Icon checkbox and make sure that Register Code as an editor for supported file types and Add to Path are also checked. Click Next and install. Then just hit Finish once it's done, and this should open VS Code. Ignoring the welcome page, we'll proceed to install a selection of extensions. For clarification, an extension is a plugin that allows us to add support for programming languages, debuggers, or tools to improve our development workflow. These selected extensions are the following: IntelliCode, which will allow us to develop with AI assistance; Code Spell Checker, which helps us catch spelling errors; Better Comments. This will allow us to create better human readable comments, so just think colors. Indent Rainbow. This makes our indentations more readable and overall less confusing. Material Icon Theme, which just provides different icons for languages or folders. And Prettier, which is a code formatter that promotes better code standards, making code look prettier in the process. Heading to the primary sidebar on the left, we're going to select the icon with 4 squares, which will bring up the extensions section. Now, in the search bar above, we're going to type in IntelliCode and click Install. We're going to then proceed to repeat this process for the rest of the listed extensions. Now that we have our extensions installed, we're going to head over to the Prettier extension page and copy the code under Default Formatter. We will then proceed to press Ctrl-Shift-P or simply F1 to bring up the command palette. And we're going to type in Settings. Now we're going to want to select Preferences Open Settings JSON. And then within the curly brackets, we're going to simply paste in our code. And we're done. Feel free to look over the extensions you install to understand them better, as I only just provided a brief overview. Also, check out the intro videos that Microsoft does provide. The link will be in the description below. Cheers.